Hey guys, what's up? So let's do the flying trend. So for that, either go to Safari or if you have Chrome, go to Chrome. Okay, open Safari and you have to Google this website, Kling AI. So go to Kling AI. Okay, just tap on claim. Need to sign in. Okay, tap on try now. Okay, now what you have to do, just upload a image. Okay, let's browse from gallery. Okay, we need a picture, something like that, better. Okay, so let's select this. Okay, now we need to write a prompt. Okay, we'll write this guy is flying. Okay, let's not complicate this time. Let's select 916. Okay, it will take 20 credits. So let's hit generate. Okay, so what it's saying me in the queue, estimated waiting time longer than 3 hours. Okay, no problem, we will wait. Okay guys, so I'll update you once this is done. So let's go to history and this is the result. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so this is the result. I'm flying now. Okay, let me download this one. Okay, download with watermark. Okay, and I'm flying. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this flying trend on Instagram, TikTok and Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.